Leakers sure know how to keep us excited. While Samsung might see them as event spoilers, we're of the opinion that they're actually building up the hype, making the days leading to the Galaxy S24 Unpacked event more thrilling. A user named Tasty Orange on X has given us a sneak peek with quick unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's a treat for the eyes. This flagship smartphone comes in 3 stunning colors: titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray. The packaging stays consistent with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the videos primarily showcase the startup screen. At this point, we'll gladly take any sneak peeks we can get, right? These videos provide us with a solid look at the design, confirming once again that Samsung has chosen a flat display over curved screens for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There's a change in the S Pen's design too. It now has a flat bottom instead of being round. But that's not all. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 globally, ensuring top-notch performance. It's also said to have a new 50 megapixels telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, setting it apart from other top camera phones. Excitingly, AI will be seamlessly integrated into various aspects of the phone, from the keyboard to the camera. However, it's worth noting that Samsung might charge for some of these innovative features in the future. On the bright side, the phone could receive up to 7 years of software updates, ensuring it stays up to date. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, tech enthusiasts.